Versions: A2296 Global Market, A2275 USA, Canada, Puerto Rico, US Virgin Islands, A2298 China, also known as Apple iPhone SE2, Apple iPhone SE, second generation. Network Technology GSM, CDMA, HSPA, EVDO, LTE launch announced 2020, April 15 status available. Released 2020, April 24 body dimensions 138.4 by 67.3 by 7.3 mm 5.45 by 2.65 by 0.29 in, weight 148 grams 5.22 ounces, build glass front, glass back, aluminum frame SIM nano SIM and or eSIM IP67 dust, water resistant, up to 1 meter for 30 minutes, Apple Pay, Visa, MasterCard, Amex certified. Display type Retina IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen, 16mm colors, size 4.7 inches, 60.9 square centimeters, approximately 65.4% screen to body ratio, resolution 750 by 1334 pixels, 16:9 ratio, approximately 326 pixels per inch density, protection ion strengthened glass, oleophobic coating, wide color gamut, true tone, 625 nits max brightness, advertised. Platform OS iOS 13 chipset Apple A13 Bionic 7nm plus CPU hexa-core 2 by 2.65 GHz Lightning plus 4 by 1.8 GHz Thunder GPU Apple GPU 4-core graphics memory card slot no internal 64 GB 3 GB RAM 128 GB 3 GB RAM 256 GB 3 GB RAM NVMe main camera single 12MP, f1.8 wide, PDAF, OIS features quad LED, dual-tone flash, HDR, panorama video 216p at 24, 30/60 FPS, 1080p at 30/60, 120/240 FPS, HDR, OIS, stereo sound rec. Selfie camera single 7MP, f2.2 features face detection, HDR, panorama video 1080p at 30 fps, Euro ICE sound loudspeaker yes, with stereo speakers 3.5mm jack no comms WLAN Wi-Fi 802.11a b per gram NAC, AX, dual band, hotspot Bluetooth 5.0, A2DP, La GPS yes, with a GPS, GLONASS NFC yes radio no USB 2.0, proprietary reversible connector features sensors fingerprint front-mounted, accelerometer, proximity, gyro, compass, barometer Siri natural language commands and dictation battery non-removable Li-ion 1821 mAh battery 6.96 Wh charging fast charging 18W 50% in 30 minutes advertised Qi wireless charging mist colors black, white, red models A2275, A2296, A2298 1 Saudi Riyal and 17 halalas with kilogram, head 1.16 with kilogram, body SAR EU 0.98 with kilogram, head 0.99 with kilogram, body price $399 per €479 per £419 tests performance and 462,253 V8 Geekbench 3237 v5.1 display contrast ratio 1544 to 1 nominal camera photo video loudspeaker -24.1 LUFS very good battery life endurance rating 59H